Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Welcome back. Welcome back. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to do something very quickly here. Just trying to reply to someone. Yeah. Keep me one sec, guy. ADHD kicked in. Where are we? Where are we? Are we live here now? Okay. Just want to check here. Yeah, I think we're live. Okay. Looks like we're live. Okay, cool. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. So, welcome back to everyone. And welcome to the new followers. So, if you're new here, first thing first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate notification because I rarely go on at the exact same time. As you can tell, I'm like 10 minutes late, and the reason why it's we had a little technical problem. Sorry, we fixed it. Why I keep saying we? I did. It's like people in the Discord saying, "Are we in a trade?" I don't know, dude. Are you in a trade? It's like, yeah, just like sometimes, you know, guys, can you just confirm that the sound is loud and clear before we get started? What is going on here? Um, this is so weird. Okay, I think we're good now. Okay, we're good now. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, now I'm all with you. I'm all with you, ladies and gentlemen. So don't forget to smash the goddamn like button as you're coming in, guys. Very important. This is the best way to reach out more people so we can help more people. And again, I don't ask this for myself. I don't personally care if we have like hundreds likes, 200 likes. I'm not doing that for the likes. I'm doing that to be able to reach the most people as possible and help them out. Okay, so I'm just gonna fix one thing here, and we're gonna get going. There we go, perfect. So that's good. Excellent. All right, cool. So let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start with yeah, because I had to restart my computer. So now let me just do this very quickly. Uh, I guess this sign in. There we go. Thank you. There we go. All right, cool. All right, cool. So let's start with GJ, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to get started. All right, cool. Uh, let's see the question first. Okay. So Water Jensen, hello. The chat's already. Oh yeah. When I actually schedule a live, the chat goes on a little bit earlier. Yes. Okay. Krish, good morning, Sensei. Attending from my phone as I'm out right now. Krish, you rock. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Bilal. Hope you're doing good, bud. Bonjour, Sasha. Bonjour, Seth. J'espère que ça va bien. Good morning, fam. Good morning, Faris. David, thumbs up, baby. All clear. Cool. Sound is good. All good. Accident. Loud and clear. Love it. Marnus, how you doing, bud? Morning, 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 guys. All right, cool. So we're starting. We are starting. Let's do the banner, and, and we're good. All right, cool. So let's start with GJ. And guys, I drove back down from Toronto yesterday, so I didn't really have time to look a lot at the market. I did spot someone that seems very interesting, so we'll see this morning if it still is. But anyways, so let's focus now on GJ. We are GJ. Oh, we have GJ bullish on the weekly time frame. About to have like a pullback here. Let's see on the daily. Daily is still bullish. Let's update the chart. Yeah, okay. So it looks like we need to wait for that pullback here on the daily. We actually retesting here this previous structure here to the left, which is good. Let me see on the weekly, which is also previous structure and weekly. So we can keep an eye here and see if we have rejection from this area. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour now is bearish. Let's flip that. Now I'm going fast, guys, but if you're first time here, let me know. I can slow down a little bit. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I'm here for that. And the best way to learn, guys, if you have charts ready, send that over. Let me know your thought process, what you're thinking, why you're interested in that trade, why you want to take that trade. Are you looking for short or buys? Just don't say like, hey, can you look at this pair? Tell me why you want me to look at this pair. Okay, so that would be actually better. I think people are going to be learning more that way. So 1 hour is bearish also. Let's update the chart. Boom. Here we go. 1 hour lower low. 1 hour lower high. Here we go. Cool. All right, let's take a look at AUD CAD. AUD CAD is the trade I was trying to take last week. I got wicked out and boom, bam, in profit right after. So it sucks, but it's part of the game. We are still bullish here on the weekly time frame. We had the retest of this area right here to the left, which is good. Now let's take a look at the daily. The daily had a small, yeah. You see, this is exact. It sucks. It literally sucks. Man, this. Look at this, man. uh, oh well, it's part of the game. I got out and boom, to profit. Classic. All right, so now let's remove this. So our chart is cleaner. Okay, so now we need to update this. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so the daily is bullish, the weekly is bullish. Now let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish. We're having the pullback. That's beautiful. Let's update this. Here we go. Perfect. Now let's spot the golden zone here on that 4 hour time frame. So I might be interested here on trying to give AD CAD another chance here. Okay, so we got price creating a new high, coming down, previous structure here to the left, also inside that golden zone. Beautiful. Now let's go take a look on the lower time frame. The 1 hour is bullish from here to here. Okay, cool. Okay. What about the 30-minute? Did the 30-minute flip? Yeah, 30-minute flip. So here we were bullish. There's not a big elbow here, but whatever. It doesn't make a difference because we went bearish no matter what. So here, let's do this. 30-minute bear. And here we go. 30-minute bear. So by placing those lines, guys, the only thing I'm doing is just establishing the structure. Okay. So where's my higher high? Where's my high lows, and vice versa. Okay. So here, for me to take this trade now, I would need the 30-minute to do something like this, break above, flip back bullish, retest previous structure to go to the upside. Okay, pretty simple. And now I'm going fast again, guys, but let's see. Let's see the chat here about AUD CAD. Is there any question here? Simon, where is my money? It's obvious moment. Yo, David, how you doing, bud? Social scientist. On weekly, from where you start marking your structure, like 1 year ago or 6 months ago. I mean, where the structure makes sense, So let's say, just as an example here, I mean, but here's different. But I mean, I don't know. I don't know how to answer this, but at one point, it doesn't matter if you go back like a year. I mean, even if I start from here, which is like, I don't know, maybe like a year ago, actually, or whatever, even if it's a year or 6 months, you realize that price was bearish no matter what here from there to there, and it went bullish after. And, I don't know how to explain that, but I mean, you see, like, it was bullish, okay, perfect, it went bearish. Even if you go back, it doesn't doesn't change anything. The fact that it was bullish no matter what, because if you're looking, this is the highest point, even if you go back, the previous structure was done already. So I don't know. Maybe I'm having a hard time explaining that one. But yeah, usually I'm usually by looking at one screen like this, you're pretty much able to confirm what's going on here. Let me give you an example. Like even like NZD CAD, it's been trending for so long. Where is it? NZD CAD. Here we go. Okay. So you see here, like even if it's like 2022, I mean, it's easy to see that this was the highest point. This was the high low. This is a high high. This is a high low. I mean, like even if I go back here, like even if I squish this, even if I go back 5 years, it doesn't matter because here it was bearish from there to there, and after that it went bearish. So even if I go back further, this is where the structure broke, right? And since then, we're just playing inside that range. Hopefully that makes sense. Um, trying my best, boys. Okay, let's see if we have any other question before we move on to another pair. Okay, social sciences, Euro and ZD looking pretty solid. Okay, so before I go take a look at pairs, we're gonna finish ours, and I need to know why you're looking at a pair and why it looked pretty solid. Okay, what's your thought process? Okay, so that's going to be helping a lot more people. So that's the new thing I'm trying to implement here, so we're able to help more people and explain better. Okay, so now let's talk about actually AUD CAD. We just did it. AUD USD. That's a trade I'm in since last week. The reason why it's because here is we're going against the weekly. Okay, so that's very important. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna confess on something. That is something I completely forgot yesterday. When I was looking at closing my trade, I was like, no, everything else looks good. And greed kicked in. So sometimes, once in a while, I pled guilty. I still have greed sometimes. I was like, all right, it looks good. Fuck it. Let me hit my full TP at 321. And I'm like, I was actually thinking of like even a little bit more, right? So I'm like, maybe I can go to for that weekly structure here to the left and then stretch that to a massive trade. I don't know why, but sometimes this fucking greed comes back and they like, shit, that was stupid. So this was really stupid because it was like so close to my TP and we were hitting look left. And I keep telling people, look left. Why the fuck did I didn't close? I don't know, man. I feel so stupid this morning, but that's okay. It's okay. There's a big probability that this is gonna continue to the upside. Not gonna lie, because still at this stage everything looks good. I mean, just need the 4 hour to flip here. Okay, so this needs to respect this structure here to the left. Okay, so if we respect the structure, it's still looking good. If we close under, it's not gonna be looking good. Okay, so but yeah, the rest looks good. It just sometimes when you trade for a certain time, you kind of forgot. And what I do suggest now and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually write some notes like in an annotation or whatever. Say, hey, don't um, don't forget going against a weekly, blah blah blah. Some little notes just so you keep track. Because sometimes when you look at too many pairs, that's what happened. So this is just a little tips here. Because this trade was massive. We hit that daily structure. We were literally like at 2.77. And I was looking at the trade at that moment. I was taking care of some other stuff. I was pushing hard on the other business opportunity that we reached some massive ranks very quickly. So I was getting customer in the business, and I was looking at the chart at the same time, and it was like around 8 p.m. if I'm not wrong. Was it here? Yeah, 8 p. I saw it as the highest point. I was like, I should close, and I got distracted by something else, and I completely forgot, and woke up this morning and like this. So I'm like, all right, all right, it's part of the game. What it is, whatever. So I'm gonna leave it play out and see what happened. We just need the 4 hour to respect the structure here to the left. But yeah, it is what it is, man. So I did set and forget a little too long here, especially with the weekly against me. I should be more careful at the daily resistance. Should be closing right there. Okay. So, anyways, it's lesson learned. I can delete this now, right? So now, why did? Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna break down this trade. We're gonna break it down on Forex Talk over beer. Okay, so it's gonna be easier. But not gonna lie, that I might be interested to a re-entry if the 4 hour looks good. And let's say close doji, and the 1 hour goes back bullish. Actually, let's update our lines. Okay, so let's update our lines. So the 4 hour now from, oh, actually, hold on. Oh yeah, so the 4 hour is still bullish here from here. Oh, okay, so hold on, wait a second. Wait a second. So even if this 4 hour close under the structure, we're still good. We are still good because this is the point that price needs to break to flip bearish on a 4 hour time frame. So we're good. We're still good. Okay, cool. Now I feel a little bit more relief though. Not gonna lie. Okay, we're good. Excellent. Okay. What else? The 1 hour we need to update. 1 hour from, whoa. Sorry guys. So 1 hour from here to here and went bearish. God damn, that sucks. Bearish here. Okay. By the way, get to your question ready. I'm about to go jump in the chat. Lower low and lower high. Here we go. Cool. All right, let's go check the chat now. Good morning, Sasha. Hope you and your family are doing good. Thank you. I'm Yugi. We're doing amazing. Hopefully, the same for you. Weekly, daily for all bearish. Okay, on Euro NZD. Okay, we'll go take a look at it. Always close trades at daily candle structure, bro. Yeah, that greed kicked in. So stupid. That happened with me with Euro GPY. I took a buy, got into daily high, and completely reversed. Yep. Lesson learned, ladies and gentlemen. If we respect H4 structure on AUDUSD, can we look for entries again? Yes, you can look for a continuation trade. Yes. Hit that like button, guys. Yeah, man. Come on. Smash it good. Look at 4 hour chart in the USD. Still bullish. Oh, yeah, exactly. Yeah. I didn't saw your message. I just saw it now. So good job, man. Good catch. Check out NZD CAD and GBP CHF Sensei. All right, let me know why. Let me know why, Krish. Most of the time, market hits my break even. What can I do in this condition? I don't use break even now these days. I only use break even when I'm scalping. But when I'm doing this chair, man, I swear. When I'm doing swing or intraday, I don't really move my stuff at break even because I had the same problem. So since then, I just removed the break even, and now we're doing good. So yeah, that's about it. NZD CAD, 4 buys, break and retest of zone. Okay, we'll go take a look at those. You guys are on fire. I like it. I like it, guys. I like it. All right, cool. So let's go check Euro AUD. Can we do something with this? This was on my watch list last week. So let's see. Weekly is bullish. We're coming to retest this area for a second time. Oh, sorry guys. Um, sorry, got distracted. Okay, so here we got Euro AUD on a daily time frame. Is bullish. We came. Oh, this is actually pretty good. We went down to this daily golden zone. Awesome, awesome. Okay, this is looking good. 4 hour, 4 hour was bullish from here to here. Oh, I think we missed the entry here. 1 hour, 1 hour went bearish. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I guess an entry can be here, like right here. This is for learning purposes, but I think this can be a pretty nice entry here. So we finally broke the structure. So we went bearish. We're still bearish, still bearish. We finally broke here. We got a little pullback. Well, we got a nice engulfing candle. Take it to the upside, right? So that can be pretty nice. But let's go back to the 4 hour for 1 second. Yeah, so the 4 hour just flipped, just created a new higher high. So what you want now is wait for the pullback. Yeah, okay. So that would be the plan. So wait for the pullback on H4. So wait for the pullback. Again, we cannot use our fib right now because we don't have a bearish candle yet. But once we have our bearish candle, we can be able to use our fib, identify the golden zone, go to the upside, right? So this looks pretty interesting. So Euro AUD, I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it because I mean the potential is pretty good. We got weekly resistance here, and yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Not the perfect because of this rejection here on the daily, but still looking pretty nice. All right, so GN weekly. All right, all right. So we're inside that golden zone here on the weekly time frame. Daily went bearish. We actually did create a new lower low. So now we need the daily to go back bullish to be interested in that trade, but it looks good though. It looks good for probably next week. So I'm not going to spend more time on this one. GBP I think that was a pair that someone mentioned. Oh yeah, Krish. So let's take a look. Weekly is bullish. Where's that pullback? So pullback right in that weekly golden zone. All right, cool. We also retesting here previous structure, which is also probably an area of interest. Here we got the second touch and we got a third touch. Okay, so we got our area of interest right here on the weekly. Cool. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily, we destroy that golden zone, so let's remove it. Are we respecting the safety net though? So we are right at this safety net right now, so we need to close above. Okay, so that's good. What about the 4 hour? 4 hour is bearish. So now we need a 4 hour to go back bullish, right? Cool. So I'm gonna place an alert here because this looks interesting. We're gonna say H4 going bullish. Sorry. Oh, what am I doing? Hey, by the way, guys, if you're looking, I know there's many people who send me a DM. I completely forgot to answer them back. But if you're still interested in a business opportunity and making some extra income, if you saw my previous stories on my IG, we smashed a couple ranks with a new company, and that's with the same company. I did lost 10.6 pounds in 7 days. So it's pretty simple to acquire customers when you have results. And that can be a really great way to fund your own account, guys. Yes, you can always go to a prop firm, but there's also other businesses where you can actually earn extra money and put that money in your trading account. Sorry, I'm looking for my words this morning. So yeah, it's been doing so well. Like in 14 days, we did like 4,000 something. Um, so yeah, pretty good. So, and again, those result. I mean, oh, this is the wrong line here. So again, those results depends on the time and the effort you put, but I mean it's pretty dope. So if you're interested, just send me a DM. I'll send you some videos to watch for, and if it makes sense for you, we'll do it. If it doesn't make sense for you, that's it. I think an open mind works like a shoot. Like it always works better when it's open, right? So a mind is always better when it's open. All right, so NZD USD. Let's take a look. Actually, let's go see if we have any question before we move on. Um, that answer. That answer. Um, US 30. Looking nice for buys, waiting for H4 bullish. What do you think? I can go check. I don't trade US 30 to be honest. US 30 is a complete different beast. Yes, price action is price action, but still, the way it moves sometimes just like so rocky. But we can take a look at it. I can set my chart for GBP shift as I'm outside. But yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We just did GBP so you're good. Can check GA and Euro NZD. Yes. Social. So okay. So what do you think of NZD shorts right now? We'll go take a look. And again, guys, when you're writing pairs to look for, tell me why you're looking at those pairs. Okay, what's your thought process? What are you looking for? What are you waiting? So I think that's the best way to learn. Okay, so now let's go on top. See the next pair we had. Euro NZD, I think. Yeah, Euro NZD. Okay. So Euro NZD says weekly, daily, and 4 hour all bearish. Okay, so Euro NZD. Let's go take a look. Okay, so weekly is bearish, but we never had the pullback though. So I'm not interested right away. Just by looking at the weekly, look at this. Like, I'm not interested. We're at a lower low. So, no. So, not interested. I mean, yeah, hold on. You can do a day trade. Okay. You can do a day trade as a continuation trade, obviously, but I really think this thing is going to need a pullback soon. So, I don't know. Because I mean, yes, if you're looking at this, you're like, all right, cool. So we came down here, created a new lower low, came up, retest previous structure, nice daily engulfing. Yes, there's a trade there. Not gonna lie, there's a trade that you can take. No, this was good. Now let's see if you're doing a day trade. Let's see what's the possibility now. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Okay, so that weekly area of interest is still good. But now that's going to be weekly area of interest number 2. So number 1 would be probably somewhere in here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this area should be number 2 now. Number 1 and number 2. So now let's go check on the daily. So daily now, we are the lower low still. So again, even if you want to take a continuation trade here, you would need that pullback on the daily. 4 hour. Do you have any elbow here? Yes, we do. Here, we got a tiny elbow-ish. I don't really like it, but doesn't really matter because it's not going to impact our trade. Okay, so again, so this one, if I would be looking at this one, I need even for a consideration trade as a day trade, you need to pull back on the daily. Okay, because right now you're at a lower low on the daily, you're at a lower low on the weekly. Oops. So it's no. Okay. But yeah, you can wait for the pullback and that can become interesting. Hopefully that makes sense. You get this. What was the other one? Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. That'll be very appreciated. Um, okay, so let's see here. NZCAD. Hold on. Euro NZD, we did it. All right, so that's done. Um, okay, so this was just a comment. Okay. So Krish, NZD CAD and GBP CHF, we just did it. So let's do NZD CAD. Okay, let's do it. So NZD CAD on the weekly is still, we're bullish, like I said, since like 2 years. Okay. And since then we're just playing around. Now the daily is bullish. Again, we need a pullback because we're at a higher high. 4 hour needs a pullback. So here we have a bearish candle, so we can use our fib to establish and find out where that pullback might go. Jaiv, here we go. Perfect. Give me 1 sec, guys. Huh? All right. Sorry, guys. Okay, so now for entity CAD, you have to wait for this pullback. So we got a weekly bullish, the daily bullish, but we're at a higher high once again. So wait for that pullback, and that can be interesting. That's H4GZ. Put it blue. All right, cool. What else? GA. Somebody says GA. Can you check GA? GA, where are you? Here we go. No, that's GCAT session. GA. Here we go. GA was one of my pair for scalping back then. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly is bearish. We have the pullback of the weekly area of interest, which is good, which is also, if I'm not wrong, at the safety net. Is it? Yeah, we're right at that safety net. Okay. Daily. So daily is bullish. So I don't know. What are you looking for? Because again, so this is why I really need you guys to write what are you looking for this pair. You know, because just by saying check GA, I mean, I have no clue what I'm checking for. Check GA. What are you looking for? So that's what we need to establish now in the chat, right, guys? So when you send a chart, send me why you're looking for this. What's your entry signal? I mean, your thought process, basically. I need to understand what you're trying to accomplish here if you want me to help best. Because right now, like, I don't like I cannot be in your head, right? I cannot guess. So it's really, really hard. What do you think of it? Okay, we'll go take a look at it. So maybe social scientists, let me know, because right now, I mean, we got a weekly and the daily going against each other. So I need to figure out what are you looking for? What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for the day to flip bearish? Are you waiting for the weekly to go bullish? I don't know. You know. By the way, right now, 4 hours bullish. Let's update that. So that's gonna be done. There you go. Perfect. Most of the time, use weekly area of interest of daily area of interest. What? Most of the time, you use weekly area of interest of daily area of interest. I'm not sure what you mean, but sometimes they are in sync. Sometimes they are the same or really close to the same. But I'm not sure what you mean. With full screen, scroll down to smash the like button. Yeah, let's go. 80 USD. If the 15-minute SOS happen, is a good time to jump in. I don't really look at 15 minutes, to be honest. It's just such a weak confirmation time frame. But 80 USD. Let's go take a look. Oh, nice rejection here on the 4 hour. I love it. 15 minutes. Yeah, I guess so. I personally don't like the 15 minutes though. But yeah, I guess so. If you like to trade on the 15, yes. Me, no. Um, but yeah, because I mean, again, you got a 4 hour bullish, daily bullish, um, 1 hour. But the thing now is your 1 hour is bearish though. I mean, so no, sorry. Let's recap this. Your 1 hour is bearish. Just trying to see if, yeah, boom, boom, boom. See, boom, 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 boom. This was bearish here. One bullish here. Yeah, right now we're bearish in the 1 hour. So your 15 minutes, no, it's not a good confirmation. So what you will need for re-entering in this trade would be something like this. Retest, go to the upside. Yeah, if I don't see that, me personally, I'm not taking another position. Um, okay, let's go check. Okay, so that's a good question. How can you join my Discord? My Discord is closed. I'm on the set and forget Discord, but I had so many requests that I decided to probably gonna reopen one. Watch my IG. I'm gonna send the link there. Gonna reopen one just to chit chat with you guys. It's gonna be public for now, free. But after that, we're gonna convert into bootcamp member. Okay, so that's what we'll do. That will also give you access to my full course that's already recorded. Plus, we're gonna do boot camps for updates. So yeah, so that's something I'm gonna launch pretty soon. I was not looking to do so because, to be honest, like like quite busy And but I got so many requests that I'm gonna open up like a waiting list. And I'm telling you up front, I'm not gonna take more than 12 people. Okay, so it's gonna be restricted because the thing is, I don't do this to make money. I don't give a shit. I make my money trading. Okay, so I don't need to do this. I'm doing this because I know there's a lot of people who wants to do it, and if you guys are willing to do it and investing money in it and spending time in it, investing time in it, should I say, it should be fair that I have the time to be with you. And with a bigger group, it's just gonna get out of control, and I'm not gonna be able to help you guys as I want. Okay, so that's gonna be limited to 12 people. I don't know exactly the date yet, but you can already being put on the waiting list if you send me a DM says Sasha interested in the boot camp, and I'm gonna open up a waiting list. So you are the first people to hear about it. It's not gonna be super expensive. It's gonna be a price point where I'm just able to sort people out, because when you do something super cheap or free, you end up with, sorry guys, I don't want to be rude, but dumb people just sucking out your time, and it's not good for anyone. That's actually one of the reason why I kind of stopped at one point, because ad student was just like draining so much juice for nothing. I was like, fuck, it just doesn't make sense. Um, so again, so price point, I don't know yet. It's gonna be under $500, so don't worry. So it's gonna be still cheap. And but again, it's gonna be limited to 12 people. So if you're interested, but not just, oh, I'm gonna think about it, because I'm gonna reserve your spot. Okay, so if you're really interested, send me a DM. I'm gonna put your name on the list. And should be probably July 1st, like around there. And July 3rd, sorry, because I'm coming back from a cruise on July 1st actually. So right after that we should be able to start it, okay? So here it is, guys. You heard it first, okay? So let me know. Um okay, so now I did send you a chart. Okay, let me go check. Here, direct message entity CAD. Oh yeah. Well, that's exactly what I'm. Yeah, makes sense. You're good, Chris. Rock on, man. You got this, baby. You got this. Okay, you got this. Um, guys, if you don't have your stable yet at photo finish, I don't know what the fuck you're waiting for, man. This thing is printing money. Um, okay, so where was I? Sorry, guys, I got distracted here. Most of the okay, hold on. Where was I? NZD USD. Did we took NZD USD for buys with small risk with daily bullish? Okay, let's take a look at NZD USD. What time is it now? Okay, so NZD USD. Let's start from the weekly. So weekly is bullish. All right. We got the daily bullish, creating a new high. 4 hour is bullish. All right, so we got the weekly bullish, daily bullish, but we're at a higher high, and 4 hour bullish. Just dip down inside that H4 golden zone. Okay, let's go 1 hour. So 1 hour was bullish from there to there. went bearish. So now you need your 1 hour to go back bullish, and that can be interesting. Yep. All right. So let's recap. Here, weekly is bullish. Man, we went down like very low on that weekly time frame. Daily is bullish. We came down to retest. Oops. Retest previous structure. That's good. Which is also an area of interest. Previous structure, but also area of interest. Um, 4 hour. 4 hour was bullish here. I think the real trade though was like, yeah, the real trade was somewhere in here. That was a real trade. This is a continuation trade. Because this is where you broke bullish on the 4 hour. You have the pullback. You want to take it somewhere in here. Here you like you already, So this is a continuation move. So it's a little bit more riskier. But yeah, still looks good though. Especially after this huge rejection. Now you need the 1 hour to go bearish. So you would need something like this. Boom, boom, retest. Take the trade somewhere around here. Okay, that's good. Good idea. You see, man, as a team, we do good stuff, guys. We are good. Sasha to go. Oh no, I don't think so. But I just enjoy doing it and helping you guys. So I'm interested. Please let me in, Sensei. Okay, yeah. You know what? Let's do the list right now. Let's open up something here. That's not what I want to do, but I need to open this. Here, oops. Man, I just want to do a new sheet. What the? Okay, here we go. Let's do this right now, so I don't forget. Bootcamp FX dogs waiting list. There we go. Perfect. So we got Krish. Perfect. Save as. Waiting list. There we go. Cool. All right. First name on the list, baby. Where was I? There we go. Sorry, guys. Okay, so did you say the price I was entering into the USD? Oh, the price for what? Sorry. Oh, for the bootcamp. I didn't fix it yet, but it's gonna be cheap, guys. It's gonna be under $500 for sure. Again, I'm gonna repeat myself. I'm doing this to be affordable, but to sort people. I don't want to have like people that's just sucking in energy for nothing, just like, and when you put something too cheap or free, you're ending up with like Sorry, my dumb people, guys. Sorry, I'm just, yeah. I did it in the past. I did some free boot camp, and it was, oh my gosh, it was terrible. Oh, Yugi got it too. Okay, cool. Can you share your trading data of strategy? Trading data of strategy. Not sure what you mean about that. Um, please move me down on the waiting list. I'm gonna, okay, Bilal. Actually, I should move this list to here. It's gonna be easier. Cool. Maybe send me on DM an email where I can join you guys, and I'm gonna be adding your email also beside here. Uh, cool. No, it doesn't have to send it in the chat here, but send it to me by DM. Okay. So, sorry guys. Great. Love to learn from all of you in the boot camp. Let's go, man. First on the list, as always, let's go, man. Hey, Sasha, best advice to not enter doctel trade. Maybe you have some advice because sometimes feels market very choppy. Yeah, but I mean, the doctail is like supposed to be like a quick in and out, right? So even the market, if it's choppy or not, I mean, if the price start to retract against you, you should be out, because this is about like impulsive move. Okay, so let's say you take a look at this 4 hour candle. Okay, let's say this 4 hour candle closed like this here. You're gonna be waiting for the next one to create the top wick, breaking the low. If it breaks the low and start coming back, I'm out. I'm out. I might re-enter, but I'm out because this is beside the point. This move is supposed to be like boom, break, TP. No question asked. It's about to be an impulsive. It's about an impulsive move. Okay, not waiting. Okay, so this is very different of the rest of the thing that I do. All right, let's go, Bilal. All right, cool. Okay, NZD USD. You guys enter NZD USD. Okay, great. But don't forget that your 1 hour is bearish though, right? So keep that in mind. Even 30 minutes, even 30 minutes is bearish though. So keep that in mind, guys. Be careful. Manage risk. What time is it? 8:33. Okay. Cool. I think we're good. What else? If NZD GPY day equals bearish, can we look for sells? Sorry, guys. NZD GPY. So, like, why would you want to sell? Like, your weekly is massive bullish. Oh, you want to do the counter trend trade? Okay. You see, that's why I'm asking why you guys looking for this, because at first, like, I'm like, why would you want to do this? Now I understand that if you do this, you might want to do your counter trend trade. Yeah, it's doable on a day trade. Um, but now you're gonna have to wait for the pullback though. So, because the thing is, there's probably no chance that this is gonna go straight down, or wait for the 4 hour pullback. So the 4 hour is gonna go bearish, you know. 4 hour is gonna go bearish. Wait for a pullback, take the trade down, But that's a day trade, guys. Okay. But yeah, it makes sense. Yeah. Those I don't take a lot of those yet, to be honest. But it's something I need to explore a little bit more. But yeah, decent. All right, the boot camp. Your plan to make Zoom calls? Yes, yes. So it's gonna be we're gonna be live together, guys. Plus, you also gonna have access to my recorded course that's already available. That talks about price action, structure, mindset, lot of subject, you know, the golden zone, the quarter points theory, yeah, a lot of stuff. So all right, guys, I gotta go because I have an early meeting. So thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And again, if you're interested in the bootcamp, just send me a DM. I'll put your name on the list. We already have 2 people. There's gonna be maximum 12. I'm telling you up front. Not gonna take more. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you on Thursday night for Forex Talk over beer. And if you're interested into a business opportunity or losing weight or taking care of yourself, hit me up in my DM. I got something crazy going on right now. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Have an amazing day. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. Ciao.